Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to perform supervised and unsupervised classification in ArcGIS. I will walk you through the process step by step so that you can follow along easily. First, we begin by adding our data. I am using LandSat 8 imagery downloaded from the USGS Earth Explorer. The image covers Western Bhutan. Next, we add Band 3, Band 4, and Band 5. These bands are useful because they clearly show vegetation cover. However, it is not necessary to use only these bands. You can choose others, depending on what you want to study. Once the bands are added, you will see the image appear on your screen. Now open Arc Toolbox. Go to Data Management Tools, then Raster Processing, and finally, Composite Bands. Select the 3 bands as your input rasters. Click OK, and wait for it to process. We'll notice a spinning globe icon at the bottom corner. That means ArcGIS is working. Once it finishes, your composite image will appear. Next, we create a study area. Zoom into your area of interest. In my case, it is the Chuka region. Open Arc Catalog and create a new shapefile. Before creating it, check the folder where you want to save it. I'm saving mine in my documents. Name it Study Area. Set the feature type to polygon and click Import. Select the LandSat image you used earlier so that both have the same coordinate system. Now right-click on your new shapefile, go to Edit Features and click Start Editing. Choose Create New Feature. Under Construction Tools, select Rectangle. Draw a rectangle over your area of interest. You will see your new shapefile appear. Make it hollow so that you can see the image underneath. Next, we will clip the study area, go to Arc Toolbox, then Data Management Tools, Raster Processing, and click Clip. Use your composite image as the input raster and your study area shapefile as the clip feature. Click OK and wait. Your clipped image will appear shortly. Now we will perform supervised classification. If you do not see the image classification toolbar, right-click on the ribbon and enable it. Before you start, go to the top menu, click Customize, then Extensions, and make sure that Spatial Analyst and Geostatistical Analyst are checked. If they are not, the classification tools will not work. Select your clipped image layer and open the Training Sample Manager. Here, we will define land cover types manually. Draw a few training samples. For example, select a green area and name it Forest. A yellow area and name it Sand, and a blue area and name it River. Save your training samples when done. Next, under Classification, select the Maximum Likelihood Classification tool. Wait for a moment and your supervised classification map will appear. You might notice that smaller features such as rivers are not well represented. This happens because their area is small compared to other features. Now let us perform unsupervised classification. This method is simpler. Go to the Classification tab and select ISO Cluster Unsupervised Classification. Enter the number of classes you want, for example, 6, and click OK. Wait a few seconds and your image will appear. ArcGIS automatically groups the pixels based on their spectral similarity. So, when should you use each method? Use supervised classification when you already know the terrain and land cover types. Use unsupervised classification when you are working in an unfamiliar area, or when you do not have much prior information about the surface features. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.